Welcome to the channel. Today we are going to explore how to enable secure DNS in the Carbon browser on your mobile device. This setting helps protect your online privacy and ensures safer browsing by encrypting your DNS requests. First, open the Carbon browser on your mobile phone. Next, look at the top right corner and tap on the three-dot menu. Then, from the menu that appears, tap on Settings to open the browser configuration page. After that, find and tap on Privacy and Security to access your browsing data options. Click on Use Secure DNS to open its configuration settings. Next, select Choose another provider to change the default DNS. Then, tap on Custom to manually enter the DNS provider of your choice. You can now choose the DNS server you want from the list, or enter a custom one if you have a preferred provider. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.